Hello, welcome back. And right now it's time to design our right section, which is the right navigation. And for the right navigation, if we see our final project, we have aligned side by side as we did to the center div UL and other list items. We have achieved this design by the display inline block property. But we are not going to do that to these elements. We will design this using flex properties. So let's add a flex property to the another list. So let's scroll down to the right div, and for the right div, as you can see, we have wrapped the right nav inside the right div and the right menu inside the right nav. But in order to make a flex items work, we need to create a flex container to our another list, because the children which we are going to make a flex items will be li. So li is the children of another list. So we will make another list a flex container. We will simply add a class. We will say flex, and we are simply saying that give a display property of flex. So we have created the flex container. So let's refresh the page. As you can see, our flex container has been working fine and it's aligned side by side. Let's remove the bullet point for the right div. So inside the CSS, for the right div, we have another list here selected in the right menu. Another list here, we can say add a list style property. So we will simply say none for this list style to remove the bullet points from the another list. And when we refresh the page, it's remove the bullet points. But we need to also align the image and the name side by side. So let's make this also a flex item. So let's open up the HTML file, and for the name wrap, we will say flex, and we will save the file. And when we refresh this page, you will see it's aligning the item side by side. What we are going to do here, we will give every li a class of flex1. We will simply add a class of flex grow, which we have created flex1, and by the mean of this, we are saying here, you can say, and we scroll up to the flex classes. Here you can say we have created the flex grow 1, and we have added the flex1 class and said add a flex grow property and give a value of 1. So we need a flex2 class as well, because we want a one div grow more than all the others. We will say flex2 for the flex-2 class. So all the li will have a class of flex1. So we will copy and paste it to every li here and here as well and here as well. And we save the file, and when we refresh the file, you can see all the li is given the equal space by the flex1 class which we have given. But we need more value to this. We will add flex2 class to our this first li element. So we will open up the index.html file, and we will scroll up to first li, and we will remove 1 and we will change it to 2. And when we change it to 2, when we refresh the page, as you can see, it's given the more space compared to other li element. So that's it for now, and see you in the next lecture.